guys, it's Devin the Gymnast and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Fantastic Gymnastics. So, some things we're going to touch on is how to assemble the game and how to play it. So let's get started. So first, obviously, we're going to start on how to assemble your game or how you will assemble it once you buy it. So some pieces that should have come with it or should come with it is these two stands, which are the legs to hold the bar. Your landing pad, which should have the numbers 25, 150 and the Velcro pad. Your little stick man, whatever it is, and the bar, and obviously the box. So how to assemble it is you're obviously going to need to put some batteries in the bottom. All you're going to need is a screwdriver, and you're just going to put, I think, 4 batteries in. And then you're going to take the legs, and so the way you're going to need to put it on is the leg with the lip on the side goes towards the buttons. So this one is going to go on this side. So it's got like these little things sticking out, and you kind of like push it, your thing's going to be up, and they even have arrows to show you which direction it should be facing. And then you kind of put it up into the holes, and then it kind of pops in. And for mine, on the bottom, you just got to push it up from the bottom, and then that leg should be in. It works better on tabletop or wood floors, better than rug. So you're going to do the same thing twice with the legs, and just push it in until you're done. So it's pretty simple, not that hard to put together, clearly. So this landing pad has these 2 holes in it. And so I think, see on this one it has 2 little holes sticking out, and that's where these are going to go. And so this one also has an arrow, and that is where this one is going to slide, and it just slides under there. Nice and easy, and it shouldn't move. Now, one thing that a lot of people struggle with is putting the guy onto the bar. So I'm going to show you. So the guy has like little magnets on him. And so does the bar. He also has like smaller on the front and larger on the back. So you're going to kind of like put the smaller, I don't know if you can see it well this way. You're going to put the smaller one here on like touching the bar, and then just move the bar slightly towards the guy. And don't push it too hard because you don't want to break it, but just kind of push it, and I'll show you again how to do it. So again, the small piece goes first, and then you just push it down, and it should stay pretty good until you click the button to do it. So now your piece should be assembled pretty good, and so now I'm going to show you guys how to play it. So if you're the one playing, the buttons should obviously be facing you. So there is an on and off button here that you just switch on and off. Now the red button is what releases it. As you can see, I'm pressing the red button. It only releases once it gets to this area. So once it swings, it releases about here. So you should pretty much always have a good chance of landing it. And then this piece, this yellow button, actually makes the guy do that. So how you should play it is like every time it goes back, you're going to want to click this yellow button so that it swings each time. So just think about if you're on a swing, how your legs would move to make you swing faster. So like even to start it, if it's completely still, you just get it moving, and each time, even if it moves the slightest bit back, you still hit it to go forward. And then you just keep spinning it. Now once it gets into the giants, which is swing around the bar if you're not a gymnast, a giant is swing around the bar. So once it gets into the giants, you're probably just going to want to hit it once it gets to the top. So as you can see, you just hit it once it gets to the top every time, and it just pretty much just keeps going until you release it. So now I'm going to do a couple of rounds with you guys. So you're going to push the yellow button so it goes faster, and then almost. So it's actually pretty easy for the guy to land it once, well, not pretty easy, but once he lands it, he's pretty much going to stay there because there's really like no way it's going to come off unless you pull it off. So the game is kind of hard to play once you're a beginner, but it's gonna get really frustrating probably because it's really hard to get the guy moving. But once you get the hang of it, it's really fun, and it's just fun to play. So I'm gonna do one more round with you. So I'm gonna run the bar. So sometimes it's probably gonna fly, but yeah, so we'll do one more round starting from the beginning. That was 25 points worth of an amazing stuck landing. So I haven't landed that in a while. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you with wanting to buy the game or knowing how to play it and assemble it if you already did buy it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you like my channel. Click the bell so you'll never miss a video. And show me that you like it by hitting the thumbs up button. Bye!